Attention small business owners, entrepreneurs, and do-it-all business leaders. I see you. You're juggling sales, operations, hiring, IT, and everything in between. Somehow marketing always ends up at the bottom of the list. I get it. Running a business can feel like plugging holes in a dam. Patch one leak and two more pop up. And when time is short, marketing feels like one more overwhelming thing to figure out. But here's the truth. Marketing doesn't need to be complex or costly. It just needs to be clear, consistent, and built around what makes your business great. C36 helps small businesses focus their message, create simple marketing systems, and build the business they have envisioned. Here's how we help you bring it to life. First, brand building. We don't just slap on a trendy logo. We help you define your story, your style, and your soul. Our brand strategy sessions uncover what makes you different and how to express it in a way that clicks with your ideal customer. Next, content marketing. We create content your audience actually wants. Blogs, videos, emails, social posts, all optimized for SEO and delivered on a consistent calendar. This content attracts high-intent leads and builds trust without sounding salesy. And finally, execution support. This is our signature service. When you're overwhelmed by ideas and short on resources, we help you pause, edit, and focus. So from brand positioning to content creation, C36 builds marketing that works. And we do it with you, not just for you. Our clients stop spinning their wheels and start seeing results. Better messaging, better leads, and more time to focus on what matters. Let C36 help you turn your marketing from a stressor into a strength.